Hi, first I'm going to take you through a demo of the List Monster plugin. We're in the admin panel of my blog, and I'm going to take you into List Monster settings just to give you an overview. Wherever you want to place the plugin, all you have to do is just copy and paste this code and paste it onto the page. For instance, if I'm going to add a new post, I'm just going to copy this. Now I have a new post over here. Let's just set the title to test, and all I need to do is paste it like this. Alright, and when I preview it, you can see the plugin appears down here. Now I'm just going to take you back to my settings page and show you what this plugin can do. We're going to go into general settings. Over here you're going to set up the web admin email, and there are two options that you need to set up: invite gating and sign up gating. Invite gating is basically a feature where you're going to tell your users that if they invite, for instance in this case, if they invite 5 people to the plugin or to your landing page, they're going to get the invite gating gift URL. This can be anything. I just set it to google.com right now, but this can be any URL to a PDF or something. Monster.me/PDF gift1.html. The same thing can be done over here, /gift2.html. Okay, so basically if they invite 5 people, send out invites to 5 people, this URL is going to appear, and if out of those 5 people 3 of them come back and sign up or subscribe to your list, this second gift will appear for them also. So I've already showed you how to do the settings. You can even customize the subscription button by selecting from the options over here or using the default option, and you can customize the Facebook login button by using the options available. And for instance, if you want to change it, just select this and press save, and it will change your button. Once visitors have subscribed, you can come to the search members section over here, and you can see their details. They're all going to be listed under here. You can see different information about them: the registration date, who they were invited by, their names, email addresses, the invite code that they have, the number of people that they've invited, the number of signups that they've received, and you can delete them from the list in case you need to do that. This is going to be showing the last 10 subscribers. In case you want to view all the subscribers, just enter the percentage sign over here and press enter, and this will show you all of the records that are available. Now another option that this does offer is, for instance, let's say you would like to hold a contest in which you would like to offer the person who has the maximum number of invites, he will be given some special award. Let's say you offer him $50 or $500. What you can do is all of these columns over here are you can sort them. So for instance, let's say I'll show you over here. If I click on email, the names are going to be swapped. They're going to be sorted. I can choose to sort in chronological order or a reverse chronological order. What you can do over here is click on number of invites, and you will get the highest number of invites on the top over here, or you can just click on number of signups and get the highest number of signups over here, and you can just email the reward to the person. Now let's look at the plugin. Over here you can subscribe to the list in 2 different ways: manually by entering your name and your email address and pressing the get instant access button. This will email you with a username and a password. at the email address that you enter over here, and then you can come back to this page, click already have an account, and enter your login details over here. Now for my case, I'm just going to show you how to log in with Facebook. So I'm going to click the login with Facebook button, and I'm going to pause for a second just to enter my login details, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, this is going to ask me if I would like to allow access. You have to click OK over here, and then it's going to ask if you would like to post to your friends on your behalf. If you would like to allow the app to post, and you would click OK over here also. Once you've done that, the app is going to load, and we are going to scroll down, and this is what you'll see over here in this app. Now the basic features are, it's going to show you the name, your name, it's going to give you your invite code, it's going to show you the number of email invitations that you've sent out and the number of signups that you've received. Now it has multiple options to send invites out to your contacts, which you can use. I'm just going to take you through the other options first, and then I'm going to come back to this app request. So first you can post on to your Facebook wall. All you need to do is just press the share button over here. The invitation code is going to be entered automatically. If you want to put in a message for your friends or contacts, you can just write anything up here and press the share button. Now taking you into the other options. The next one is to send out a tweet using Twitter. So what you can do is, here's the message. It's going to contain your invite link, and you can enter your username and password and click in sign in and tweet, and then it's going to post this to your Twitter wall. Now there's a limitation in Twitter. It doesn't let you count how many followers you have. So what we did is we found a way around this. What's going to happen is when you post onto your Twitter wall, each time someone clicks your link, it's going to be counted as an invite. So you get the benefit from that way, because Twitter has this limitation. And third up is G+. So you can send out a G+ invite to your circles over here. You can select whichever circle you would like to send the invite out to. And okay, so once you've selected the circle you want to send it out to, just press the share button and it will be sent out to all your friends. Now for LinkedIn, when you press the LinkedIn share button, you will get this option. Your invite code will be presented over here. You can write some comments to your post, and if you want to post to groups or to individuals, you can just select them from here and press the share button, and it will be sent out to your contacts. LinkedIn has the same limitation as Twitter does. So whenever a contact from your LinkedIn profile is going to click that link, it will be counted as an invite. Okay, now let's move on to Gmail. When you choose Gmail, it's going to ask you to sign into your Gmail account. Once we sign in, I'm just going to pause for a second to sign in. It's going to ask for permission to manage your contacts. You need to click accept. And once you click accept, it's going to bring you back to this window over here. So let's just scroll down, and you will see the names of your Gmail contacts, and you can just select which ones you want to send out the invite to simply by clicking on the tick boxes over here, and then scroll down to the bottom. Over here, all you need to do is click the send invitation button, and the invitation will be sent out to all the people that you've selected over here. Alright, let's move to the next one. Next comes Hotmail. Just click this and it will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. I'm just going to log in and then I'm going to come back. Now once I've logged in, it's going to again ask for information to allow the app to access my profile and contact list. I'm going to select yes. Then it's going to bring me back over here and it's going to load all the contacts from my Hotmail address. Over here it's showing the Gmail contacts on top again. What I can do is just simply select the check all button, or I can select individually as I did before. But to find my Hotmail contacts, I'm just going to follow this social network, and where it's going to say read Hotmail, I'm just going to stop over there just to show you that my Hotmail contacts have also been downloaded over here. So as you can see, we're down to the Hotmail contacts over here. I can just select as many as I want to add, and after I'm done selecting the people that I want to send the invites to, I just have to press the send invitation button and the invites will be sent out. Okay, now we're going to come into the app request option. Basically, if you are aware, mass invites have been discontinued by Facebook, so we kind of found a way around that. What you can do is send this invite URL to all your contacts in the form of an app request. So once you've clicked that, your invite code is going to be sent out to all the contacts that you select over here. You can just select these in the same way that you send out an app request, and just click the send request button, and it will send out app requests to everyone, and as soon as they click the app request and accept it, they're going to be redirected to this URL over here. Now just to show you what will happen when they go to this URL, let's just take you. When the user clicks on this URL, they're going to be brought to a page like this, which basically is going to show your name, and it's going to ask the user to log in again, and they're going to be added into your chain. So basically you're going to be given the benefit of this subscription, and once you reach the subscription goal, the sign up gift URL is going to be presented to you as a reward. So this is an overview just to give you an idea how this plugin works.